Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to see you. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Austen and I'm here to present you a delay project. This project was supposed to be the previous math projects. Anyway, it's a design tip project for TsunamiRoseDesigns, and I'm really late on making videos. I apologize for that, but you know, craps happen. Anyway, I apologize for my voice and if I cough and all that stuff, but I'm recovering for a severe cold and pneumonia, and anyway, I sound weird, so I'm sorry for that, but I had to present this project. So this was December. Yes, it was for December. It was for last year design tip project, so I made two of them, and they are exactly the same, but the difference is the cover. This one has a fabric cover, and this one is a file folder cover. It's paper that I glue the images from the kids. Sorry for that. I apologize. I will try not to speak too much so I won't create a cough. And inside it's exactly the same. Exactly the same. So let me show you. This is a fabric cover. This is a junk journal, 50 centimeters, so 6 inches by 21, and that's how much in inches? Around 8 inches. It's one signature, but with many pages, as you can see. It has a lot of writing space for you. It's a fabric with metal corners, and it has this beautiful applique lace around and crochet trim, and I don't remember how you call this, Chinese something. And this is a beautiful applique flower with a bling, and this is a Jane Austen image, because the junk journal is a Jane Austen theme. It's actually a winter or Christmas, you can call it Jane Austen theme. So this is a design team project for TsunamiRoseDesigns. So she has pre-made the kits with these images in two versions, in the junk journal size and in a traveler's notebook size. So I took all the images, and you get tons of images, and I mix them. So I place one normal, one traveler notebook, and is how the two journals are created. So this image in this junk journal, it's a traveler's notebook size. That's why I made two. So let's start. We have beautiful image, and all the images are coffee stained. And can you see this is a traveler's notebook size? This is a more narrow size. So this page in the outer junk journal is in the white size. I put some washi tape, wrinkle pages. Here I place this one. I printed in big size. I don't know why. Don't ask me. And this ephemera. And I will put all the links so you can find the kits in Tsunami's Rose Design store, and you will find amazing goodies. And this is what the ephemera from the other side. It's a cardstock. Ladies that love Jane Austen will love this journal. And Daisy has a lot of Jane Austen themed kits in her store, so you will love it there. And a tag. And I will put all the links, because you really need to take advantage of the huge sale that she's having now. She's having 50% off. So if you go there and buy items that worth $50, like you can buy her junk journals for half price, or you can buy kits or already printed kits or printables. You can buy many printables. You can buy 20 printables and pay only for 10 of them. So this is a book page with various pockets. I like this type of pockets. I like to make that. It's my mark, as we say. And we have ephemeras, and it's a pocket up here, pocket there, pocket here, pocket here, and pocket here. Many pockets. So I will put the links, and you can go and have a look there, and you will love it. And I'm telling you, take advantage of that. It's really huge discount. And I will put also the link to her channel, and you should go there. If you're starting junk journal, or if you're an advance in making junk journals, you will love her channel because she's live streaming. And if you see, I have put many details of washi tape, and I'm jumping from one thing to another. I got a new addiction with washi tape, and I placed it everywhere. So in her channel, from Monday to Friday, she makes tutorials and live streams, and you can find amazing stuff from how to film to how to make tags, envelopes, paper clips, and magic. He's a factory. He's a massive productive. Oh geez, I killed the word. You know, she produced a lot. She's really creative. Sorry, I didn't show you. These are ephemeras and the tags. I love the tags. And the tags, you don't have to do anything because I have already the distress feel and look. So can you see the difference of the pages? This is a traveler's notebook, and this is a normal junk journal page. So she has it in both sides. And as you can see, I print my pages in both sides. I print the front in normal size that I wanted, so I print it in a smaller scale, that full page, and then I print the back in full page. That's why I make sure that the front, it's completely covered in the back and I don't have any white spots. And what I do with the leftovers, I create this thing, and I will show you a tutorial how to do this 4-yard roll that you can make as tag spots, pockets, ephemera, whatever you wish. And it's done with the leftovers of the edges of the pages. Washi, beautiful images. I like how the decoration is done, and you can see not just the Jane Austen images or ladies from that time, but you can see the decoration and all that stuff. It's amazing. And I don't think it's supposed to be a Christmas kit, but I don't think it's, you know, a Christmas kit because it has red roses and all that stuff. So it's not, you know, it doesn't tie you to be used only for Christmas. This is from her black and white kit, but I printed on beige and coffee staining. It's an amazing kit. If you go to her store, you will find amazing black and white kits that can go with every theme journal you're making. Another ephemeral, one paper stove, and a tag. The edges, many of the pages has laces. So we have one huge card for the month. And beautiful ephemera. And a tag. carbostol. Sorry for that. So here, let's start from this side. We have a huge card. I printed in this big size, and you can change the dimension and print in all your ephemeris and stuff in any size you want in a card. And we have an envelope from the black and white kit that is printed on coffee stain paper, and I have another ephemera inside. This envelope, it's from her black and white kit, and I printed on coffee stain. Pages are stunning, very stunning. And you can see the various different designs of pages that you have. You have these base pages with a simple image of Jane Austen ladies, and it's more plain with lines. You have this in JoJo size. You have this in Traveler's Notebook size. You have other. You will see you have huge variation of the designs. This is the black and white kit printed on yellow coffee stain paper. And another ephemera. And you have these pages with the lines and the squares and all that stuff. Huge variation. Huge variation. You can see. Huge collection. And you should take advantage of the sale that she's having in her store. 50% off on orders, that's $50 and more. You have a lot of journal and space for writing in this junk journal. So here I created a pocket, so we have a pocket on the top, like that. Twist it, okay. And we have two tag spots here. One, up. Oh, there. And another one here. I will fix it later. Do you see how many different images of Jane Austen ladies you get? It's amazing. So that was my junk journal. I apologize to Daisy for the delay. Really apologize for that. This is from the black and white kit. And I hope you like it. Tell me what you think. It's, as I told you, fabric cover, semi-soft. It's not semi-hard. It's not too hard. Not too. Anyway, tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all your support. Hugs and kisses. We will speak soon, as I hope. Bye bye. Thank you.